or back to my channel. So today I'm back with a super exciting video. I'm going to be getting ready for the new year. I already posted a 2023 reset vlog. I'll link it here if you guys want to check it out. In that video, I did some cleaning. I made a vision board, little collage screensaver. I made some goals and got my nails done, like a little glow up, self-care. But in this video, I'm just gonna kind of like get organized, take all my Christmas decorations down, do some cleaning, clean my car, do a little planning. I'm just gonna like spend the day getting organized. I still feel like I have stuff I need to do to get ready for the new year. I hope you guys enjoy. Definitely give it a big thumbs up if you do, and if you'd like to see more vlogs on my channel this year. Comment below something you're doing to kind of get ready for the new year, or like a goal you have in 2023. Definitely make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram at emilygrace.26 so you can see all my content in 2023. I hope you guys all have or had an amazing new year, and let's just get into the video. The first thing I'm gonna do is clean. My room and my apartment is so messy. I literally just cleaned it for the 2023 reset vlog. It has somehow already got messy again. It's actually like I just cleaned it, so it's not really like dusty or dirty because I just vacuumed and dusted and cleaned. Kind of like messy, like I just have stuff everywhere. I just kind of like need to pick up the mess. I also want to take down all my Christmas decorations. I'm just kind of sick of seeing red and green. I love putting my Christmas decorations up, but I also love taking them down, and then it just looks all clean and fresh. The sun is already starting to go down, so I hope I have enough time to do all of this. I also want to do a little bit of planning and stuff as well. Let's just get to cleaning. I decided to take a little break and get a coffee. I was craving the iced sugar cookie latte from Starbucks, but they were out of it. So I got an iced chestnut praline. I tried my sister's hot chestnut praline the other day and it was really good. So I just ordered this because I didn't know what to get. It is literally just spilling out everywhere. Let's taste this. It's pretty good. I guess I will forgive the chestnut praline for spilling. I think I'm just gonna go to the car wash. Just recently snowed and there's just tons of like salt and dirt and whatever on my car. It's not looking so good, so I'm gonna go take it through the car wash. We're gonna have some sunny days for a while, it seems like. Later, my apartment is all clean. I think I'm just gonna take down the Christmas decorations and put out all of my regular decorations. I don't have natural lighting anymore, so hopefully the lighting isn't bad. I really want to get this done today, so I'm just gonna keep filming. little bit later. All of the Christmas decorations are put away. I undecorated my Christmas tree and took all the ornaments off, and now my apartment is looking so clean and so fresh. I just love putting everything back out for the new year. It actually took me a lot longer than I expected. It's actually pretty late, so I just went ahead and took my makeup off. I'm just gonna take a little bit of time to kind of get organized and kind of plan out my digital calendar for the new year and just kind of get organized mentally. Then I'm just gonna go to bed because I'm actually so tired. I still have a whole nother video I need to edit. Anyways, I do kind of just want to get my calendar planned out and kind of add some dates on there. That's kind of like the last thing that I want to do. My calendar is organized as well. Now everything is ready for the new year. Here is like the end result of what my apartment looks like after it's all clean and kind of redecorated or undecorated after Christmas, I guess. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely make sure to check out the 2023 reset video if you guys haven't. I hope you guys all have or had a great new year. If you guys enjoyed this video, thank you so much for watching. Definitely give it a big thumbs up if you did, and if you'd like to see one next year or just like more productive vlogs on my channel in the new year, comment below something you did to prepare for 2023 or just something you like to do to kind of get organized. Thank you so much for watching. Comment this emoji if you stayed until this point in the video, and I will see you in a couple days for my next one. Bye.